Khubor ka Batisi TV, lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Kaseng Kongres kabasyong hagalyang persya kala takaranting ye ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance balayalam de ka National People's Party halor ka Pynkiew dor ye ka umpanyang Petrol hado shispa tingka shilita kat hado bakalakta hado kata-kata ye ka pelayero jom ki paiba nongsong snong jom ka jilla ki bajulet jinglej manda ka sngi de ki kali kamai habalej sala ki kam ki duk ke MLA jong kaseng Congress ka bami khman na East Shillong constituency ka Dr. Mazel Ampareen Lingdo habaya keren bat ka Batisi TV ha ka khat santrik ubna risau arhajar arpuway kala bojing kali ka Sorkar jilla babalay andang haban Pynkiew ye ka Khajna na ka umpnyang Petrol hakum gani ka por baki pajba kila shakta bha ka kamay ka kaji na ka jingwan linshop jong ka khlam jingpang COVID-19 hapo kani ka jilla hagari India bat ha ka perthai hi baro ka way ka Dr. Ampareen kala dawaru ye ka Sorkar MDA bakadai ban ai mardor ye ka jubab shiki pajba nongsong snong jong ka jilla Meghalaya halor ka ka nongrim bala Pynkiew ye ka Khajna jong ka umpanyang Petrol.
This is so disappointing. It is so disappointing that the government after a pandemic increases the cost of petrol and diesel to an all-time high in the entire century. We have never seen this kind of a pricing. Again, we need to know. Why is this hike on oil products happening in the state? Why? What is going on with all of these taxes? Where is this tax being increased? What for? For what purpose? We can understand that during the pandemic, there was this information given to us by the ruling government that a COVID tax was also initiated on several products. But why now? An automatic impact of petrol and diesel price hike to 100 rupees per litre will definitely pinch the common man and his essential supplies. There is no two ways about it. In the last hike, there was this information circulated. The government of India had increased the price of petroleum and diesel by 34, 36, 38, 46 rupees in various times in the last 24 months. They had assigned it to the increase of price rise on the international price of fuel. But surprisingly, at that time, we were made to understand that the international prices for petroleum products were not an impact of an international price hike. Why have they increased the price of fuel now? I would like the government to reply. We had asked them earlier. I had asked this question about 5-6 days ago. There has been no response. Because we are not in session, we have no way out but to discuss this important matter over the fourth estate, which is the media, both the print and the electronic. But there has been no response. Who's calling these shots?